tape. Great for making patterns on your decks. One of the earliest Raptor 2 prototype decks with the cutout. Good, look how many I've got. Lots of evolution here. Now inside this box is the skateboard that started everything. The Raptor 1. This is one of the last Raptor 1s ever made. Should we go upstairs? Should I say to the camera? So this is our downstairs prototyping area. Obviously I've still got boxes and stuff I'm unpacking and haven't got all my tools and everything set up. We'll be doing all of our prototyping here and playing around. Upstairs is where a lot of the magic happens as well. So come up and I'll show you. So it's a much nicer space here actually compared to where I was in Adelaide, which was basically my garage. We've got an extra workspace here for the graphic design and video production sides of the business. I do have another workspace here, which currently I've just basically got all my stuff on that I'm prototyping and playing around with. And this is my workstation here, so welcome to the new office. Okay, so we're just gonna go and grab my bro. He just flew in from California. He's gonna stay with us a little bit and hang out on the Gold Coast. He's actually staying at his boss's house. Pete and his wife Jill, they own this company called Action Horizons, and they're responsible for coordinating all the stunt performers that are in all the like the Waterworld shows at Movie World and lots of different movies and TV show stunts. This guy runs the whole thing, so he's got a beautiful place in Tugun near the airport, I think. So let's go and check it out. So yeah, we'll come and get you. We're just filming a little intro sequence to this video. So if we leave here in like 10 or 15 minutes and we're half an hour away, so that's like 40 minutes away. Ooh, frothy. I'm not sure if that's a good sign or a bad sign. Nice little spot. Some beach action.
How are you? Nice to meet you.
3 years on the beach.
Hello, mate. This is Peter.
How's it going? You got a good spot. Well, I don't know. There's something right near our house that you probably want to check out. Yeah. Sorry guys, I don't have a helmet today, but I sort of didn't plan this, so we're just gonna have to be safe.
On a regular skateboard, you need a helmet?
Yeah, man. Safety first. Didn't really know we were going skating today. What the last few months has been, they've got longboards.
And Lebanese rack.
Yeah, exactly. They have electric hub motors.
Yeah.
And then her grandfather built ours. But I'll show you earlier. This is.
Yeah, see they're slightly wider. It's sort of not the best angle to see that, but you can. Yeah, they're really wide, and the motor is in there.
So the cables run over there, and then
all integrated.
And that's the hand control.
Yeah, right.
I've only ridden Tyler's one he's got of it, and there's no hill it won't go up.
Do the wheels fit over the motor?
Yeah,
so
that's
when the
a
wheels
sleeve.
wear out,
it sort of looks like this.
Oh, okay.
Goes. I actually did take this on a beach the other day.
Oh, you did?
I'm liking my own photos now.
Wouldn't be very good for it.
No, probably not. But it was really hard, compact sand, and I'm like, this is not going to work.
Yeah.
And I ended up riding along the beach. I had to keep it like flat out because I'm like, as soon as I lose momentum, I'm just gonna
dig in.
Right, but I was just loose as, just flying down this beach.
Were you sending like
Oh yeah, yeah, it was.
sand out the back everywhere? Alright.